Hey guys, welcome back to our, I think, probably like 8 episodes of our podcast. My name is Mark. I'm your host. Welcome to Empowering Monday, your weekly dose of motivation and inspiration powered by ZRM Studios, a professional photo and video company. And today I have a very special guest, and she owns a multiple businesses in the Philippines and in here in Canada. Her name is Zandy. And Zandy, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you? How are you? ZRM Studios. Hello, hello.
Yeah, so our guest today is Zandy. Tell me a little bit about your business, Zandy.
Okay, I'll
Yeah.
tell you about the Skin Laser Genesis.
Okay.
So first of all, Skin Laser Genesis, guys, is a AC6 and body contouring spa clinic. We offer multiple services like fillers, Botox, physiotherapy, massage, that is direct billing, acupuncture, lip tattoo, eyelash extension, microblading, facial, rejuvenation, BB glow, deep pore cleaning, and what else? Whole massage plus body scrub. So it's all direct billing.
Oh,
So
that's nice.
yeah, let's pamper in clinic with free body scrub for massage.
Oh, that's
With
very
vitamin
nice. So
S.
yeah, just check her out, guys. Her clinic is just in Calgary. Is that correct?
Yes, it's just in 333 8th Street Southeast,
Yeah.
Calgary, Alberta.
There you go, guys. And then, if I'm not mistaken, you own 3 businesses in here, right? It's the same thing, but it's like 3 buildings.
Yeah, so we're
3 locations. Yeah,
three
sorry.
locations. So we're opening in March at Chinook.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, at Chinook Sea Train Station. In front
Yeah.
of Chinook Sea Train Station, it's called the Admiral Court where the Circle K is.
Okay, I think I know where that is.
So
yeah.
pagbaba mo mismo nung sea train,
Sea train,
yun
dun na
mismo.
mismo. Okay,
Yun,
that's
so
good.
doon mismo yung pinaka main location actually ng Skin Laser Genesis. So lahat ng services
Yeah.
andoon din. So nagki-cater kami ng groups pa
okay.
party
Yeah.
like last time, I think last Friday, nag-cater kami ng all nurses party. So all
Okay.
of them went there. They don't need to pay because they have their insurance and it's
Yeah.
direct billing. They did their massage
Oh, that's
spa
nice.
party there, and then they order food. They're just ordered by Skip, so you can use our lounge there, and so you can chit chat and
That's
yeah,
nice, yeah.
and reconnect with each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like getting together with the other people.
Yes.
So that's
So
very nice.
and it's direct billing. That's the best one. So you can pamper yourself with free body scrub. and
Yeah,
massage.
exactly. Yeah, that's nice because like we pay for the insurance, right? too.
Yes.
And we should like consume as much as we can off of that insurance. Kailangan talaga.
Kailangan.
Yeah,
Tsaka,
binabayaran natin.
ang sarap din naman, syempre, makakapag-relax.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Your body needs pretty much like a massage, almost like if it's possible, it's like every week or
Yes.
every day if it's possible, right? Because
Ay,
like
kung ako,
mahirap,
everyday
yeah. Because like our work sometimes, especially us, is we're just like in the computer throughout the day,
Ay,
and
oh
it's
my
just like
God.
sitting down. And
you.
yeah. So definitely a massage it's a must every week at least, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me a little bit about how you get started in this business.
Okay. So, mid-pandemic, I think, nag-start kami as online seller.
So this is 2020.
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So, nag-start kami ng asawa ko
okay.
mag-online selling.
Yeah.
So, siya yung nag-introduce sa akin na sabi niya mag-online selling na lang tayo para more on family time.
Yeah.
Kasi parang nakikita niya sa lahat ng mga nag-start din ng online selling is na-inspire siya. So siya yung talaga nagkikahit sa akin, sige na magbenta tayo ng
nice.
mga damit dito sa Canada, padala natin sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
So sabi ko, parang pwede pala yun. And then yun, nag-start siya na nagla-live. So nag-start kami nag-live selling for 7 hours, walang bumibili. Sabi ko, ano ba yan?
7 hours.
Paano kikita dito? Pero all throughout na ginawa namin, we trust the process.
Yeah.
Naging okay siya hanggang ngayon. Doon kami nag-start sa a joint project. So a joint
okay.
project, yeah. We have a business partner naman in Philippines, Ron's Cousins.
Okay.
Ron's cousin, si Jetty. So, siya naman yung kabaliktaran namin doon. So, nagla-live siya doon.
That's
Kami naman yung nagpapadala ng mga Canada items dito. So, pinapaship namin from Canada to Philippines. Philippines, may nagla-live doon sa mga items na on hand na pinapadala na sa Pilipinas.
And this is during pandemic, you said this, right?
Yes, during pandemic. So parang magic na minamay nila dito, dumadating na lang sa bahay nila door to
That's
door.
nice.
And then ang ginagawa namin is 50% down payment bago namin pa-ship.
Oh,
Yes, so
okay.
ganun pwedeng gawin. Sa mga gusto mag-start na mag-online selling, pwedeng gawin nyo ganun. So mag-live kayo dito and then pag may nag-mine, pwede nyong ipadala sa Pilipinas. 50% down payment tapos bago pa ship din sa door to door sa kanila. Kung meron kayong parang kabaliktaran nga, so pwede namang i-hold muna doon. So pag na fully paid, doon nyo palang ipadala sa kanila.
Oh, okay. So you basically nag-build ka ng system that works for you and Ron's cousin, or?
Yes, kasi sa Pilipinas naman yun. So si Ron sa A Joint Project.
Oh, okay. I see.
And then his cousin hanggang sa sumama ko. Naengganyo ako kasi ang saya. Ang saya mag-live selling na kumikita ka na nasa bahay lang talaga. Doon mo makikita yung talagang kalayaan din. Kasi parang nag-e-enjoy ka anytime. Andun yung anak ko, andun si Ron. Kain muna tayo, wait lang ha, hintayin nyo kami. We'll be back. Andyan yung mga items mo may nagtatanong na, how much ganito? How much yung Chicago Bulls? How much yung Nike? How much? So, habang naghihintay ka, andoon may mga nag-i-inquire.
So your business gives you freedom during that time?
Oh yeah, yun yung time na nag-start na rin kami nag-poultry business sa Pilipinas.
Okay.
Tapos, yun na, nag-expand na rin kami. So, ito, meron na kami skin laser. Tapos, ako din yung chief of marketing sa Shifty Express. So, Shifty Fulfillment Forwarding Services. So, itong Shifty Fulfillment Forwarding Services, ito yung pwedeng makatulong sa mga gustong mag-start ng online selling.
I see.
Yeah, so ito yung logistics na pinakamura na pwede kong i-offer, pwede po namin i-offer sa lahat ng mga taga-Canada at Pilipinas. So, pwede tayong tumulong sa mga Pilipino na mag-import at export dito sa Canada.
I see.
So, for example, ako, gusto ko mag-online selling. Pwede akong pumunta lang, ayan, ang lapit-lapit ng Cross Iron, diba? Supplier, Michael Kors, ang mumura, mga Plasenza. Diba, ang mahal-mahal sa Pilipinas.
Mahal nga talaga yung mga
kaya na natin ipadala sa Pilipinas door to door. I-live mo dyan, ipakita mo. Ito, andito talaga. Small, medium, large. Makikita pa nila original. Kasi tayo yung nandito sa Canada. Tayo may pagkakataon na magbenta online na gusto ng mga taga-Pilipinas.
That's true.
Diba? At tayo din namang mga Canada, ulit din, yung pwede din tayong kumuha sa Pilipinas. Pag meron ka kamag-anak na tutulong sa'yo doon. So, pwede rin mag-arrange ka. So, kailangan lang talaga yung idea. Kailangan magkaroon ka ng small idea, tapos simulan mo. Yun ang pinaka-importante. You need to start. Kasi otherwise, hindi mo siya matututunan kung hindi mo susubukan. For example, yung walis tambo na pinost ko, oh my God, natuwa ako, may nag-reply. Magkano po mag-reseller ng walis tambo? Oh my God, alam mo hindi ako natawa kasi sobra akong na-inspire dito sa taong to dahil 'di ba, may buti pa to merong anong tawag nito, merong courage na mag-risk. Kahit walis tambo, yun yung sinasabi kong start small. Hindi naman kailangan start small, skin laser genesis agad. Hindi naman kami naman agad nag-start na gano'n eh. Nag-start muna akong A Joint Project na 7 hours kaka-live. Napaos-paos na yung boses ko. Wala pang bumibili. Pero ngayon naman, dire-diretso pa rin. Yung live, dire-diretsong may inquiries na lang, dire-diretso na lang na nagpapadala sa Pilipinas. Diba? So, ganun lang. Kailangan mo lang mag-start muna ng maliit para matutunan mo yung buy and sell hanggang sa pwede ka nang i-roll over mo na lahat ng mga
with your income.
Invest mo na hanggang palakihin mo na, expand ka na ulit. O pag lumaki ulit at naging okay, expand. Kasi ganun naman lahat ng business. Mag-risk ka naman talaga. Sa tingin mo ba yung walis tambo, kikita ka? Of course, ang daming Pilipino dito sa Canada. Ikaw ba magmamain ka ba ng walis tambo? Di ba? Yes, of course. We love walis tambo, lalo yung mga age natin. Tsaka mga nanay-nanay. Gusto nila walis tambo. So, pwede yun. Pwede ka mag-start small. Kung kumita ka doon ng $50, at least may panggas ka. Hindi mo na na-touch yung savings mo. Diba?
Yeah, and that's the problem with a lot of people. They don't want to start. They're afraid to start. Kasi hindi tinitignan nila yung future na titignan nila kung paano kung nag-fail yung business. And that's the majority, the problem of majority of people is like to start. And it's the hardest part. But for us, it's easier now because
Yeah.
we're doing this. We like ZRM Studios, we have these studios. Now, when you look at it, kung titignan mo siya ngayon, it's like, oh, kung sila Mark nga, nagawa nila eh.
I know,
Yeah,
right?
diba? So like start right now. You're telling me to start right now, just do something right now, and then just I don't know.
Yeah, and just trust
Yeah,
the process.
trust the process.
Enjoy the process.
Exactly.
And of course, sipagan mo. Hindi naman pwedeng
Yeah.
trust ka lang ng trust ng process. Sipag, puso, dasal.
Exactly. Eh,
Kailangan magkakasama yun.
Yeah, that's true. I mean, like, sino na ba naman lolokohin mo, di ba? Kung like, trust the process ka ng trust the process, but you're not doing the action that's necessary to grow your business. And a lot of people are just, I would say, like, some people envy you because of the things that you have, but they never seen the behind the scene how hard we work to get to where we are today. And that's the people, if you guys are watching this one right now, here's the thing. You see us, the things that we have right now, but you never saw the things that we work hard for to get to where we are today.
The
So,
obstacles.
yeah, exactly. Obstacles, like, you know, like families and friends that they weren't 100% na, alam mo yun, parang in sila. Because at the beginning, you were just a joke. Right?
Yeah.
When you say it's like, okay, I wanted to start a business.
Yeah.
And they were like, yeah, do it. And then like tatawanan ka lang nila because like you're nobody,
Mga
right?
ganun, yeah, may
Yeah.
mga ganun instances.
Exactly.
Yung strangers muna ang magsusupport sa inyo.
Yeah, that's the thing.
Yeah.
It's like, ang unang-unang magtitiwala sa'yo is people that you don't know. The people that you know, friends, families, are the one who are not gonna buy your service or gonna buy your product.
Yeah. At first ganun, pero
Yeah.
make sure na just still accept yung ganung process kasi lahat na pagdaanan yun.
Exactly,
So
that's
for
true.
example, yung kamag-anak ko, yung friend ko naman, di ako sinusuportahan.
Yeah.
Ay guys, huwag kayong sasakitan loob dahil ganun talaga ang human nature. You
Exactly,
need to
yeah.
accept the human nature, the positive and negative ng gagawin mo.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi naman pwedeng lahat magkakagusto sa'yo. Walang ganun. Kailangan makikita mo may hindi, merong gusto,
Yeah.
pero make sure lang, i-accept mo kahit hindi ka gusto. Kasi later on, ma-realize din naman nila and ma-accept nila at makikita nila yung resulta from you.
Exactly.
Hanggang yun,
Yeah.
isusupport ka na isusupport. O diba? May timing lang din. Kaya ang gagawin nyo, huwag sasakit yung loob nyo kung hindi kayo sinusuportan ng ibang tao, family, friends. Hintayin nyo, basta kayo diretso lang. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah.
Don't quit, never stop.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. One thing that actually that resonate me, what my mentor told me. By the way, Abby Villanueva is my mentor.
I love Ate Ab.
Yeah, and you know what she told me? She said a lot of people are gonna hate you, but keep going and reach your goal. And that's like very powerful advice that I got from her that I've been using so hard.
true.
That like my focus, like it's laser focus is like talagang yung goal lang namin. I don't care about people what they
Yeah.
tell about us. That's why we started doing some live videos and stuff like that because we wanted to introduce ZRM Studios to the world,
Yes.
not in Calgary,
To the world.
to the world.
Yes.
Yeah,
And
'cause-
I can feel it.
yeah,
To the world.
exactly.
ZRM talaga.
So and then we're getting a lot of help them from other business owners.
It's good.
Yeah, so it's so good to have a business, to be honest. Yeah. But again, guys, there's a lot of people that probably will tell you differently when you talk to them. So just like you, sis, like yung mga struggle mo sa buhay, tell me about those when you first started your business. I'm sure not all of your
Of
families,
course, yeah.
friends fully supported
Yeah.
you. Because now, siguro sinasabi nila, oh, kilala ko si Sandy. But before, when you first started your business, I'm like, they're not even like mentioning your name because it's not worth
Yeah.
mentioning your name at that time or at that point.
Yeah, some people ganun. Pero alam mo yung sa business talaga parang
Yeah.
failures after failures, mistakes after mistakes.
Yeah, exactly.
Business talaga yun eh. Pero ang pinakamaganda lang talaga doon, just yung sabi mo nga, parang kang laser, nakafocus ka
Yeah.
lang talaga sa goal mo. Pag finokusan mo yun, oh my God, hindi mo akalain, dire-diretso tumataas na.
Exactly.
Pataas na ng pataas, yung parang mga nakakausap mo, pangarap mo
Yeah.
lang dati.
Diba? Tama. Yeah, that's
Oo,
true.
yung mga, ay nakikikollaborate. Yung pangarap ko lang dati to. O dati, alam mo ngayon, yung miners ko ng mangga, Diyos ko, isa sa pinakamayaman sa Calgary. Sabi ko, miners ko ng mangga to. Diba?
Yeah.
Sobrang nakaka-touch yung pagkatiwalaan ka na ng mga tao.
Exactly.
Gusto na nilang ka-collaborate para lumaki kayo. Tsaka ang maganda dun kasi, ngayon naman parang mas open-minded na yung tao for collaboration. Pero yung dati kasi parang siguro yung mga noon-noon na mga business, hindi pa sila open-minded sa collaboration. Yun yung siguro na iwasan yung siraan. Yun yung parang gusto kong ibigay na parang advice sa mga nag-i-start.
Yeah.
Iwasan nyo yung siraan, ma-inspire kayo sa isa't isa.
That's true.
Yeah, so yun yung pinaka-the best doon. Kasi once na na-inspire kayo sa isa't isa, magko-collaborate kayo, magtutulungan kayo, lalaki kayo together.
Exactly. I
So
like
ganun
that.
yung ginagawa ko. So nai-inspire lang ako sa lahat ng mga nakakausap ko.
Yeah.
Hanggang sa tatatak na rin sa puso tsaka sa isip mo. Hanggang sa isa sa puso mo na araw-araw, magugulat ka na lang lahat ng manifestation mo. Ay,
Nandito na.
nandito na, may clinic na ako. May pa-third location na tayo. Ganun,
That's
diba?
true.
Yung
Yeah.
kaya mo na magbayad ng ganun kada buwan. Diba?
Yeah.
Hindi lahat ng tao, hindi ka naman nag-work pero diba? Kasi nag-business ka.
Yeah.
Wala namang, sa mga nag-work, it's okay. Diretso lang din. Pero ang sinasabi ko, mag-start kayo ng side hustle nyo. Like for example, online selling, yun nga, pwede. Pwede naman pwede ka muna magbenta ng start small
Yeah.
muna. Guess muna, bentahan mo yung buong probinsya nyo.
Yeah.
Diba? Kasi ikaw yung nasa Canada, pwede mo silang tulungan makabili ng murang products
That's
dito.
true. Yeah.
So, ang gagawin nyo lang, ipab-license yung business nyo. Basta yung process din, i-follow nyo lang all the steps and then we can collaborate with Shipty. So, lahat ng mga clients na mga taga-Canada.
Yeah.
Gusto ko nga lahat ng mga Pilipino sa Canada talaga maging online selling Kasi bakit sa China kaya nila? Lahat online seller. Isang bahay online seller sila lahat.
Exactly.
Right? So, kung pwede sa Pilipinas din, why not? Walang imposible. Diba?
That's true, yeah.
So, possible lahat. So, hinikayat namin yung mga Pilipino na magbenta dito sa Canada. Hinakayat namin yung mga taga-Canada naman nagbenta sa Pilipinas para makatulong lahat tayo sa Pilipino din sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Diba?
Okay, I just want you to elaborate what you said about the, what do you call this one again? Collaboration. Because a lot of people, sometimes they don't want to collaborate with each other, especially when they're running their own, the same company or the same, both of them are running the same company. Tell me a little bit about that one. How are you? Parang,
paano,
parang madali lang sa'yo sabihin yung ganun.
Sa akin kasi, katulad ako, clinic spa ko, kaya ko makikollaborate sa mga clinic spa.
Okay.
Kasi pwede ko rin silang ika-business partner sa logistic ko. Kasi wag kailangan mas malawak yung pananaw mo sa buhay tsaka yung perspective mo. Hindi lang naman spa clinic ang kaya mong itayo. Hindi lang din studio ang kaya mong itayo.
Yeah.
So pwede kayong mag-collaborate sa iba't ibang larangan, iba't ibang industriya, hindi lang dito.
Yeah.
So yun yung collaboration na sinasabi ko. So kung ang naisip na nila agad, ay kompetensya ko na to, online seller, wala, hindi ka lalaki. Kasi hanggang online selling lang din pala yung gusto mo. So hindi mo, syempre yung iba gusto maging business owner din, magkaroon ng iba't ibang business, magkaroon ng restaurant, magkaroon. So pwede kayo collaboration ulit doon. Kaya ang nangyayari kasi sa mga Pilipino talaga, nagko-compete, yun nga, may mga mindset talagang ganun. Real talk yun, it's human nature. Wala tayong magagawa doon, hindi natin mapipigilan. Pero pwede nating i-open mind yung lahat na pwede naman talagang makipag-collaborate sa isa't isa Hindi, pwede naman din mag-kompetensya, pero friendly na kompetensya. Pwede kayong, kompetensya tayo ngayon, 8 to 4, business hours. But after 5 o'clock, pwede naman kayo magkaibigan ulit diba?
Exactly.
Ang best friend ko, online seller ako, online seller din siya. Isha-shoutout ko si Sai Lashes, napakagaling na eyelashes technician yan. May eyelashes din naman ako sa Skin Laser, pero ito, ipopromote ko din si Sai Lashes kasi kaibigan ko din yan. We promote each other.
And that should be...
That's a collaboration.
Collaboration,
Diba? Sai Lashes, I love you. See you on my appointment. Ganun. Diba? Pwede naman talaga Kung papairalin mo lang ang inspiration, yung mai-inspire ka kaysa mainggit ka, mas tataas ka at lalaki ka.
Exactly.
Doon ko nakita ang success. Yun.
Yeah, even kasi one time my wife asked me this one as well. It's like, how do you turn jealousy? I mean, how do you paano mo lalabanan ng jealousy? And I told her this. I told her that instead of looking at that person and be jealous about what they have, maybe be inspired and ask that person how they did their company so you can grow your company as well, right? I have that mindset since we started our business.
That's good.
So I keep asking people, even though like I'm a photographer, videographer, I come to the photographer and videographer person and then I come to them and say like, paano nyo nagawa to? Turuan mo naman ako ganito. At that time, sis, it was like, I thought it's like, yung community natin is very, very good. It's amazing. Everything is amazing. It came to the point that pag nalalaman mo na yung tao, they become super aggressive sa'yo na
Sisiraan ka na.
it's not even that. It's like you feel that they will not be talking to you anymore. If we ask you a questions, they no longer give you the answer. Mapipil mo talaga yan, sis. And sad part about that is like a lot of my friends and family members, they weren't supporting me when we first started our company.
Yeah.
ZRM Studios, only my wife and I.
Oh.
So yung crab mentality ng mga, not even Filipino, it's like just in
Human
general.
nature.
Human nature,
Yeah.
diba? It's so like, for me, it's so easy to say like, yeah, I'm inspired with these people. It's so easy. Kasi practice ko na yun sa sarili ko. But if you talk to the person na probably negative na tao, wala siyang, alam mo yung muwang niya, hindi siya open-minded na tao, then they will take that negatively.
Yeah, mahirap mo din. Ako pag alam ko na negative yung mindset niya, hindi ko na pinipilit. But just still respect. Respect mo lang sila. And then, dadating din naman yung panahon talaga magiging positive yung magiging positive din yung mga yan. Yeah. And then, always hope for the best lagi. Yun. Pero dumadating yung panahon, nung nag-start kami nag-online selling ni Ron, maniwala ka sa hindi, ang dami namin kinausap para lang ipadala. Siyempre, ang dami na nag-mine. Walang may gustong mag-isabay kami. Hindi ko alam paano ko ipapadala yung mga items ko. Sobrang struggle talaga kami. Oh my God, isa lang ang tumulong sa akin. Shout out kay Sis Attorney Carmela. So siya rin yung partner ko kay Shipty Fulfillment Forwarding Services. Nag-start din si Sis Attorney Carmela na online selling. Siya yung nauna din sa akin noon. Pero tignan mo siya yung tumulong sa akin. Pinadala niya yung boxes ko. Hanggang ngayon din niya ako sinisingil.
That's good.
Hanggang sa naging partner na kami kung saan sa ang business. Ganon nag-umpisa. Kung sino yung tumulong sa'yo, hanggang sa paglaki, ganon pala. Minsan matatimingan mo. Swerte ko lang talaga. Kaya ako nasasabi yung collaboration. Napakaswerte ko sa business partners ko. Kay Sis Attorney Carmela, kay Nyoktora Mary, yung business partner ko dun sa Aesthetics. So, sobrang swerte ko dahil napakabuting tao. Pag na-timingan mo na napakabuting tao na magiging partners mo sa business, oh my God, ang bilis din ng success. Kasi nagkakaintindihan kayo. Kaya yun yung sinasabing collaboration. Kailangan may kasama ka, may katuwang ka para mapag-grow. Kasi hindi mo naman talaga kakayanin mag-isa. Hindi talaga. Kaya yun yung kailangan maging mindset nyo. Hindi pwedeng magaling ako. Kailangan talaga magaling kami. Ay, nakikita mo, yan, lagi akong proud dyan kay Sis Attorney Carmela, kay Mary. Sobrang proud ko sa kanila dahil napakagaling nila sa operations. Kasi ako sa marketing Kaya tignan mo, kasi hindi naman magiging success kung wala sila.
Yeah, exactly.
See, they are the behind the scene. People don't know. See, ang pinakamaganda lang kasi napakabuti at napakabait ng partners ko.
That's nice.
Thank you,
That's
Lord.
very
At
nice.
dinala ako sa napakabuting business partners. Yun lang din ang pinagpipray ko sa mga, yung nag-expand, lumalaki. Kaya kailangan talaga magkaroon kayo ng mindset na collaboration. Collaboration matters para mag-grow kayo together. Yes, diba? Meron, for example lang, meron lang ako sa sample. Si Pinoy One na inggit dun. Nagpatayo ng building. Ang ganda. Ito ngayon si business minded din. Nagpatayo din, same building din. So nagpatayo sila ng maliliit na building, pare-parehas. Kasi magkakatabi, nag-inggit-inggitan. Ngayon nakita ng isa Chinese. Diba? Nagpatayo din ng malaking building. Pero ang kasama niya, nakikolaborate siya sa maraming Chinese. kasi yun, collaboration. Nagpatayo ng mas malaking building dito sa liit-liit.
Nice.
Ito na natabunan na si liit-liit. Ito si malaki. Yun na yung
Nag-grow.
nag-outstanding.
Yeah.
Kasi naging empire sila, nagtulungan sila
That's
together.
true.
Lumaki na lumaki. Kaya lang ito ayaw, mga kompetensya yung mindset. Magaling ako. O di, hanggang dun lang.
Yeah.
Siyempre, hindi naman lahat siswertein agad na magbo-boom yan di ba?
Exactly. Yeah.
So,
Puri
kailangan,
sana kung kompetensya lang sis. How about yung siraan?
the siraan alone.
Pumapasok na tayo dyan.
Yeah, iwasan nyo yung
iwasan
siraan kasi babalik at babalik sa inyo.
Exactly, 100%.
100% yun. Kailangan nyo talaga ma-inspire sa isa't isa. Hindi ko alam, gusto kong makiusap talaga sa lahat ng mga business owners. Ma-inspire kayo sa isa't isa, magtulungan kayo, mag-collaborate
Yeah,
talaga.
trust me sis, this is what I want to. Gusto kong ma-inspire lahat ng tao sa mundo, lahat ng nakakapanood sa atin, everyone is
Magtulungan.
watching us. Tulungan lang talaga. But again, I always have this mindset that everything starts in me. So, alam mo yun, parang marami rin kasi akong tinulungan in the past.
Yeah.
Right? Marami rin akong mga videographers na tinulungan and then I'm happy that they're successful as well.
Yeah.
However, kung yung mga videographers na tinulungan ko, hindi na sila nagparamdam sa akin, I don't mind. It's okay. It's sa akin, sis. It's very okay. There's nothing wrong with
Yeah.
that. I'll be cheering for you guys. You know, I want to see success sa inyo. But then, alam mo yun, parang some people kasi is like, if they see me like, kung habang tumataas ka, mas
Kompetensya.
nagiging kompetensya na nila ako. And the problem with that is, instead na na-inspire sila sa akin, kabaliktaran na nangyayari. So, but I think my message that I wanted to say is, I just want people to be inspired. However, not everyone will be inspired. Only those who's ready.
Who's
Yeah.
open-minded.
Those open-minded if you're ready.
Positive
Yeah,
mindset.
positive mindset. na tao.
Yeah.
It's napaka-easy kasing sabihin na positive kong tao and
Yeah.
stuff like that. But with your actions is,
Yeah.
pag nakikita nila yung action mo is different than what you're talking about, then
Kailangan actions
yeah,
tsaka yung
exactly. Magmamatch sila.
Magmatch. Kasi kunyari, positive din
Yeah.
yung mga like pinupost mo pero yung
pagkausap mo naman.
kausap mo pala in back, kamaritisan.
Yeah, kamaritis.
Diyos ko, sinisiraan mo yung tao.
Exactly,
Hindi din
yeah.
siya, yung puso mo.
Yeah.
Di ba ang bigat-bigat nun dahil hindi tugma yung puso,
Exactly.
yung mindset at puso na
Yeah.
sinasabi mo.
So that's why you have to collaborate with people. I
With-
think,
yeah.
I think na may nakita ko
With same
isang-
mindset.
With the same mindset,
Yeah.
obviously. When people start talking behind your back, when you're not in the room, stay away from those people. You have to build, guys, you have to build like in your circle of friends or in your community that when you are not in the room, they would fight for you. So find those people and stay away from people who's like, pag-uusapan kapag wala ka. What you want is the people na ipaglalaban ka kung wala ka sa room.
Yeah.
Di
Tsaka, ang masarap kausap, guys, maniwala kayo sa hindi.
Yeah.
Kasi, ako every time, parang araw-araw at ako may meeting, ang sarap-sarap kausap na puro business at inspiration
Exactly.
ang
Yeah.
mga maririnig mo.
Maririnig mo.
Dahil parang magiging, maisa sa puso mo din talaga.
Exactly. That's
So hanggang sa parang kung araw-araw mo may nakakausap ka ng ganun, ang sarap-sarap. Kaya mas masarap kausap yung mga nagli-lift fun
Yeah.
each other.
Nagtutulungan
Kaya, nagtutulungan. Ang sarap, ang gaan ng puso. Kaysa naman ang magmamaritesan, kasi ganito ang hatred. Kaysa
Yeah.
sakit sa puso, di ba?
makakatulog ka pa ba niya ng gabi?
O hindi mo na kailangan, alam mo, kaya ako feeling ko, hindi naman sa pera ang yaman eh. Yung peaceful ang mindset mo,
Yeah.
yung healthy ka,
Exactly.
kasama mo, pamilya mo, yun,
That's true.
yun ang kayamanan talaga. Iba ang peaceful ang mindset
Mhm.
kesa sa, alam mo yun, yung ang daming iniisip.
Nagkikreate ka ng negativity in your
nakikreate
head.
ka ng negativity.
I don't know how people sleep at night when they're thinking so negative.
I don't know to. Kaya nga
Kaya
sabi
nga
ko,
parang makakatulog.
paano nagagawa yun?
Paano ka nakakatulog ng ganun, di ba?
Ay, paano talaga?
Yeah, kaya
Ay, sana
sabi-
nakakatulog kayo.
Yeah, well, yeah. Kaya nga sabi ko is like, as long as wala kang inapakang tao, keep going.
Yeah, just keep
stop.
going
Yeah.
lang. Don't stop. Yun
Don't stop. Yeah. As long as wala kang hurt na ibang tao, even like mentioned in other businesses, di ba? Pag may kausap kang iba,
Yeah.
just like But again, it's hard to say because like
Yeah,
hindi mo kaya
hindi
kontrolin
pwede,
yeah,
hindi
ang
mo
lahat ng
hawak
tao.
yung mindset
Exactly.
ng lahat
No.
ng tao. Pero,
You
pero pwede kang maka-inspire at pwede mong baguhin
Exactly.
yung mindset ng ibang tao.
Yeah.
Pwede din naman yun eh. Pag sa action mo, sa salita mo,
Yeah.
makikita din naman nila yun eh.
Exactly.
Diba? May-inspire mo sila by
Yeah.
your actions and words.
And there's one thing that I've noticed about business owners. They're always kind and they're always positive.
Yeah, you need to.
Especially yung mga successful na may kita. Kasi marami dyan, like, ayoko na mag social media, di ba? Atake na social media, whatever. But a lot of people are posting on social media that things that they cannot afford. They don't have, like, to show for. They don't have nothing to show for. So, like, nagpo-post sila ng ganito, blah, blah, blah. And you showing the life na, alam mo yun, parang wala ka naman talaga. Di ba? I'm not saying that lahat ng tao ay ganito. Obviously, there's a business owners like us that we're showing, even us, like if we show our studio, be like, hey, welcome to our studio. It's the truth. We have this studio.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can do about it, right? But some people post something like, hey, we're in this location, or we bought this new car, or we bought this, just try, we bought this new house para na ipakita na, alam mo, yung buhay namin is ganito.
Hindi mo naman kailangan magyabang sa ibang tao eh. Kasi maniwala kayo sa hindi. Hindi mo ikasasaya yung pagyayabang.
Hindi talaga.
Kailangan lang talaga be humble, and then yung mata mo talaga nasa level na hindi ka talaga pwedeng magmataas eh.
That's true.
Kasi hindi ka talaga makatulog ng maayos din. Ang kailangan mo
talaga.
talaga peace of mind, makatulog ka. Kasi kailangan din naman sa nagbi-business talaga, alam mo yun, yung relax din naman. Dahil diba, ikaw alone, alam mo kung gaano ka-busy.
Yeah, busy.
Ang business.
Yeah.
Sobrang busy ang business.
Yeah.
Pero kailangan mo din, ipahinga yung mindset mo. Otherwise, busy ka ng busy, wala na, naging unhealthy ka naman.
Yeah.
So kailangan, kumpleto din talaga.
Exactly.
Kailangan sasabay-sabay mo talaga yan. Healthy mind, healthy body.
Yeah.
Para lahat, alam mo yun, yung manifestation mo. Kasi paano ka gagalaw? Paano mo sisipagan kung unhealthy ka naman?
Exactly, yeah.
So
if you're
yun.
thinking about your health. And,
Yes.
yeah, especially if you're thinking about negativity.
Yes, di ba?
Yeah,
Napaka-unhealthy
parang,
noon.
I don't think I can function sa business ko pag alam mo, full negativity sa utak ko.
Yeah, I don't think mag-work at
Yeah.
magsasucess ang business kung puro negative din
Exactly.
ang mindset. Yun
Yeah.
yung nakita ko. Kasi paano mag-work yun kung hindi ka maniniwala? Alam mo yun,
That's
kasi ang
true,
negative
yeah.
mismo. For example, kung hindi ka rin maniniwala, yung sabi ko sa'yo, start small. Paano ka magiging successful kung hindi ka maniniwala sa sarili mo?
That's true.
O kung hindi mo paniwalaan na yung walis tambo na yun kumita, sasabihin, wala naman siguro bibili din.
Yeah.
Di wala na, ganyan ka lang
Wala
talaga.
na. Yeah.
Pero kung yung inisip mo feeling ko, yung mga kumari ko, mga ka-work ko, mabibentahan ko ng tambo,
Yeah.
ng walis tambo. Ayun, yun yung positive mindset mo.
Oh, yeah.
Ngayon, nabenta mo talaga, kumita ka, may nawala ba? At least nag-gain ka pa.
Exactly.
At least nag-risk ka. Kung sakali naman na hindi nabenta, hindi mo ba magagamit yung walis tambo?
Yeah,
Diba? At
exactly.
may nawala man, kanyon naman talaga sa business Magre-risk ka talaga. Meron din talaga,
It's a
di ba?
risk, yeah.
May ups and downs naman talaga
yeah.
Ang pinakamaganda lang talaga kung paano mo siya i-drive well.
That's true.
Yeah, kaya kailangan mo ng katuwang. Kailangan mo ng kasamang nag-iisip. Yeah, di ba? Kaya
That's true.
shout out again, Sis Attorney and Yoktora. Di ba
Kailangan mo talaga, yeah.
yun? Yan ang mga brains ng
Yeah,
aking mga
exactly.
business.
Well, you know what they said, sis? If you hang around with 5 millionaires, who's gonna be the 6th?
Di ba?
Exactly.
Sana tayo yun.
Yeah.
Tsaka kailangan ganun daw. May
Ganun
mga
talaga yung
nakusap
mindset
ako
dapat,
lagi
yeah.
yung mga talagang successful business owner din sa Pilipinas. Lagi sinasabi, kailangan, yayaman ako. Kailangan daw sinasabi mo talaga. Ang manifestation mo, kailangan talaga nasa puso mo din.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tsaka syempre, sisipagan mo talaga. Hindi
course,
talaga
yeah.
pwedeng puro yayaman ako, nakaya ka lang naman. Kailangan gagalawan mo lang din talaga.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of ingredients that comes
Yeah.
to law of attraction, sisi. Do you know this book called The Secret, right? The Secret?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Pero,
So this book, it's called The Secret and it's the Law of Attraction. When I first read it back in high school, I tried to apply it to myself. Because right now that book for me is just parang may mga kulang dun sa book na kailangan mong matutunan to grow your business. But that was the start. So parang yung binivisualize mo will manifest. Depends on how
Yes.
powerful your visualization is. Then I started doing that. I was working so
Yes.
well sa amin. And it's good since then we started doing some like vision boards, pinaplan out namin yung
Maganda yun.
lahat, and then with vision boards. And so far all the vision board, yung mga linagay namin sa vision board, we all accomplished it.
Wow.
Mag-asawa kami dalawa. That's why
I'm so
we need a
proud of you.
bigger vision board. However, like kasi ang alam kasi ng mga ibang tao is like when you visualize it, parang in a few days or in a few months,
Hindi naman
magkakaroon
agad-agad. Ano yung
diba?
magic?
Exactly. That's
Kunyari,
the
pag
thing.
pinost ko na may business ako na clinic, hindi
Yeah.
naman agad 3 months mapapa-open ko ba agad yun? Hindi.
Hindi
Hintayin mo ng
agad-agad
isang
yan, yeah.
taon, magpa-planning ka pa, may
Yeah.
marketing ka pa, strategy, ganun yun.
Exactly.
It's a process.
Yeah, that's the biggest misconception of a lot of people, that thinking is like, kung iisipin ko siya, makukuha ko siya. Yes, you can.
You can,
But-
but it's a process.
Yeah, you have to have your patience, you have to have your actions, and you have to have your guts. Because like you're risking everything when you're
Yes.
having a business, right?
Because your time. You're
Yeah,
giving your time
exactly.
to your
Yeah.
business.
And we only have limited amount of time in here and on earth.
Yeah.
Kaya kailangan natin i-focus dun sa mas, what makes us happy, right? Kasi kahit din kami sa business namin, it's not about just, photography and videography. Actually, videography has been my passion since high school.
Oh.
Passionate talaga ako dyan. So I don't care if we make money or not. Because even though if we don't make money, I'm still passionate what I'm doing. That's all I care about. And money will just come after
Later, yeah.
you go after your passion. In high school, I did not graduate high school. I got kicked out twice.
Oh.
So I did not graduate high school here in Canada. However, the only thing that I know is videography and photography. So that's the only thing that I push. A lot of people now in the internet is like open book. So a lot of them have this beautiful ideas of businesses, online businesses. It's actually super easy now. But then they hindi nila they cannot take just one business, right? If it's like online selling, then do online selling at first and then expand later.
Yeah,
right?
ganun naman
That's
talaga.
yeah,
That's the process
That's the process,
na.
exactly. But if it makes you happy, then do it. If it doesn't make you happy,
Yeah.
then I would say just don't do it. Do other things.
Yeah, you need to be, kailangan masaya ka din talaga sa
Yeah.
ginagawa mo. Otherwise, hindi rin talaga siya mag-work. Pag-isipan mo kung ano yung passion mo. Ayun, sa passion naman, si Mary. So, ang passion niya talaga is sa skin. Kaya nag-aral din siya ng aesthetics. Pero kung makita mo ngayon talaga, hindi niya minamadali yung mga clients. Talagang tinututukan niya yan. Alam
Yeah.
niya kung ano yung klase yung skin mo.
That's right.
Pagpunta mo pa lang doon, alam niya na kung may pagkakaiba. So, yun yung process na yun na ginawa niya. Nag-aral siya, ginawa niya muna yung passion niya, yung
Yeah.
puso niya. Alam mo yun, hindi nga yan nagdi-day off sa clinic eh. Pero tingnan mo naman, lumalaki ng lumalaki.
Yes.
Kasi yung passion niya, ginagalawan din niya.
Exactly.
Yeah,
The
that's-
full intention
yeah.
kasi sa passion mo rin eh. Yeah.
So pero nag-enjoy naman yun kahit nandun kasi yun nga yung passion niya.
Yeah.
So super nag-enjoy siya kahit wala, mag-day off ka naman. Meron pa akong client. Kailangan niya matulungan dahil may acne siya. So sabi ko ay napakaswerte ko sa business partner ko na to.
That's good. Yeah.
Yeah, dahil
Because
diba?
like if money don't make you move, then you are in your passion. You're really passionate of what you're doing.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they move only when they get paid. They're not gonna do anything unless they get paid. So like
Yun
my
yung
mindset.
employee mindset.
Yeah, exactly. So I mean, don't get me wrong. If
Yeah,
you are
it's
doing
okay.
9 to 5, it's okay. If
It's
you're happy
okay,
with what you're
yeah.
doing, stay there. Having a business is very hard.
It's different.
It's different. Like, yeah, my wife and I, like, the work came to the point that we were crying because like we run out of money. We don't
It's
know where to find it.
process, yeah.
Yeah, so it's like we only had like $20 in our bank account, and we have a house, we have kids. But you know what? What I said is like, hindi ka naman natatakot na bumalik sa dati nating apartment. Kung that time we were just small and happy,
Yeah.
and she was
Same happiness lang din naman.
exactly
Diba?
same happiness. And so what's the point? Why are you so afraid, right? So we just keep going. We just keep pushing until we found Manang Abby, Manang Jem, and everything changes. And we only had 1 month. I said, well, give me 1 month. If nothing happens, I'm gonna go back to my 9 to 5, and I'm probably not gonna be happy about it. But give me 1 month.
I'm so proud of you.
Yeah, so at that time I was like waking
You
up.
take risk.
Yeah, I like completely 100%. And at that time I was waking up at 3 a.m. I only have like 2-3 hours sleep
Yeah.
throughout the time. So I just like keep finding solution, I did not stop, right? But a lot of people are scared about that.
Yeah.
Yeah, they don't know. They don't know the feelings
Yeah.
of how
Magti-take
hard
risk
it is.
ka
Yeah,
talaga.
like talagang magigipit ka. And if you have the guts, you'll survive. If you don't have the guts, you won't survive for sure, 100%. Yeah. So having like 9 to 5 and you're happy about it, I don't care if you're flipping burgers
Yeah.
or working at
It's
a
okay
McDonald's.
kung
You're
happy
happy.
ka.
Yeah, there you go.
you're
That's
happy.
the most important
If you're happy with
one.
that, it's okay.
Exactly, right?
Pero kunyari naman, katulad kami nga ni Ron, gumawa
Yeah.
kami ng paraan para magkaroon kami ng family time. Kasi ang happiness namin is yung freedom na magkaroon kami ng family time every day.
That's
So,
right. That's true.
Ang hirap naman naming mag-work. Tapos paano kami magfa-family time? Pagod na rin siya. And
Yeah.
dalawa lang kami. So pagdating niya, bibigyan niya na lang yung susi. Alis na ako. So si Ron nag-work siya sa construction company. Tas ako
Yeah.
naman nasa nurse. So pagdating niya, madaling araw pa lang aalis na siya. Pagdating niya, kasi may baby kaming 3
Yeah.
years old. Alis na ako. Pagbalik ko, 12:00 na, tulog na yung baby ko. So
No
sabi,
time na
di ba wala na talagang time. May day off man kami, hindi rin naman sabay. So ang parang pinaka-family time namin is just 4 hours.
Yeah.
Minsan wala pa talaga. So kung gusto mo rin talagang magkaroon ng family time na freedom talaga, mag-start ka talaga ng business. Yun nga yun. You need to start small. Yun, mag-start ka muna mag-online hanggang sa pwede ka nang kumuha ng location, hanggang sa pwede ka nang mag-expand,
Yeah.
pwede ka nang alam mo yun,
Yeah,
kung
kasi
yung
matututunan mo yan eh.
matututunan mo naman all throughout eh.
Yeah.
Kasi ang business naman talaga pagtitindi, di ba?
Yeah, exactly.
Buy and sell.
Yeah.
Bibilin mo,
You buy a
ibibenta
product
mo.
and then sell it. Yeah.
Di ba same thing sa services din. Binili mo yung
service,
binili
yeah.
mo yung mga service, di ba? Yung mga
Yeah.
nag-ano ka ng mga tao doon, mga empleyado,
That's
and
right.
then you just sell the services.
Yeah.
So same thing,
So
buy and sell, pagtitinda. Yun lang yun.
Yeah.
Business, pagtitinda.
And then-
Pinahirapan lang. Ang
and
hirap
then-
lang ng pinaikot-ikot
Yeah,
lang na
yun na
mindset.
nga eh,
Pero pagtitinda din lang yun.
Yeah, and ang problema sa mga tao minsan is like they make things super complicated when things are just so simple.
Yeah.
Diba?
Pero kailangan mo lang kasi mag-start talaga ng simple.
You
At
just have to, yeah.
matuto ka rin na mamuhay ng simple.
Yeah.
Kasi kung kasakali man na ang masyado ka na mamarangya, masyado kang wala ka rin masisave. So,
Oh, yeah.
kailangan mo habang nagbi-business ka, matuto kang mamuhay ng simple at makontento.
That's right. That's true.
Para,
100%.
hanggang sa yung mga dumadating lang ng dumadating, na-invest nyo lang ng nai-invest. Hindi
Oo.
nyo ginagastos lang din ng ginagastos.
That's true.
So, kailangan live simple, be kind, focus on your goal, and be positive.
Yes.
Trust ka. Trust the process. Tsaka, kailangan din talaga, I think it's swerte. Isa din, di ba?
Yeah.
No,
It's a little bit of luck.
oo, meron din talaga. Lahat naman ng business owners eh. Kasi nagre-risk ka nga eh.
Oh, yeah,
Swerte na
exactly.
lang talaga kung magustuhan ng mga clients
Oh, yeah.
at mga prospect mo,
Yeah.
mga buyers.
Pero mas gugustuhin mo ba talaga yung, alam mo yung parang you give all your effort and then people will say you got lucky. Diba? Kaysa naman, wala kang ginagawa tapos sabihin sa'yo, you get lucky kahit wala kang ginagawa.
Oh, parang hindi naman, wala namang ganun. Ang lucky, kaya may yun, parang ingredients talaga ng
Yeah,
success yun.
that's true.
Like hard work,
Yeah.
tsaka luck din.
Luck
Yun,
and positivity, yeah.
hindi pwedeng luck lang, hindi pwedeng hard
Yeah,
work lang.
exactly.
Kailangan,
So,
meron
kailangan
talagang ganun. So, yung luck mo naman, kailangan mo din talaga, pray ka, manifest. Totoo, nangyayari. Kasi wala naman talagang imposible eh.
That's true.
Gagalawan mo lang. Sisipagan mo lang, dadasalan mo lang.
Yeah, that's true.
Paniniwalaan mo lang. Kasi kung hindi ka din naniniwala sa sarili mo, paano mo papapaniwala ibang tao?
Exactly, yeah.
Paano ka magiging
Sa
successful?
sarili mo nga, hindi mo maloko.
Yeah, di ba? So
Parang,
yung
yeah.
mindset, kailangan talaga kumpleto yan. Yung positive mindset.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yun yung ingredients para sa akin ng success. Tsaka
Yeah.
yung sa family talaga. Doon
That's
ko
true.
nakita kasi parang sinuwerte ako nung, alam mo yun, yung nagkaroon ako ng sense ng, may pamilya ako, alam mo yung nagkaroon, nag-iba talaga yung perspective ko sa buhay nung dumating si Siron.
That's
Kasi dati wala naman akong pakialam. Pa-work ako na 9 to 5, iinom ako. After work, after work.
Yeah.
Diba?
Looking
Balik-balik,
forward
araw-araw.
every weekends. Yeah.
Kaya araw-araw, ganun lang naman ganun lang ng ganun. Pero ngayon at least may freedom ako. Diba?
That's true.
After nitong podcast, pwede akong umuwi sa bahay, mag-family time ako.
That's
Tapos
true.
punta na naman ako sa clinic. Depende sa gusto ko. Depende sa anong gusto ko ngayong araw na to gawin.
That's true.
Or depende lang din kung may meeting ka. Pero ang ganda naman maki-meeting, ang sarap makipag-usap
Yeah,
sa
exactly.
lahat ng mga business owners na mai-inspire ka. Kaya kailangan lahat ng kausap mo ma-inspire ka, huwag ka mainggit.
Oo, tama.
Yun yung gusto kong iparating sa lahat. Hindi naman porket yung sabi ko na collaboration, posible yun. Collaboration. Pwede naman talaga eh.
Yeah.
Tanggalin mo lang yung inggit sa isip mo.
That's true.
Pwede.
Yeah.
Madali. Super dali.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially kung yung ipapractice mo yung sarili mong gawin yun.
Gawin yun.
Kasi at the beginning naman, hindi naman, kasi sa atin, like, you can say that talaga sis na it's super dali na lang. Right? But
Yeah.
it's a process from the beginning.
Yeah, it's a process. Maintindihan mo lang. Kaya lang, shortcut ko na sa lahat ng tao
That's
ngayon
true.
na makipag-collaborate kayo. Yung kumbaga, nag-online selling si Wana, si
Yeah.
Mary nag-online selling din. Ngayon magsisiraan kayo dahil parehas kayong nag-online seller sa work.
Yeah.
Huwag ganun. Respect.
Yeah,
Hindi
that's
kayo mag-collaborate ngayon, mag-respect kayo kasi pag lumaki kayo, baka mag-collaborate kayo soon.
Yeah, that's
Yun
true.
yung sinasabi ko. Just respect each other. Iwasan yung paninira. Kasi pwede kayong mag-collaborate in the future.
Yeah, at saka wala ka nang mapapala kung sisira mo yung
O wala
tao.
talaga. Hatred
Para sa akin, kung ikaw yung taong naninira sa iba, I'm looking at you, not hindi yung taong sinisiraan mo.
Yeah.
That's me. It's like, if I see you talking about like negativity about other people, I'm looking at you.
Oh my God, I like that.
Hindi yung taong sinasabihin mo. Because hindi ko binibigay hindi ako nagbibigay ng yung opinion kasi ng ibang tao, hindi ko binibase sa taong yan. For example, it's like you're talking about like other people. And then be like, I don't even know that person. I know you.
God,
And you're talking to me like this right now, which is, ayoko sanang marinig, but I'm always here to listen, diba? And give advice. However, if you can do that to other person, what is it na pag wala ako rito?
You can do it
Sa
to me
akin din.
too.
Yeah, exactly. So
Yeah.
I'm always looking at that person when you're saying negative things.
Yeah, ako din.
Yeah, ganun ako sis eh. Hindi ako parang, alam mo yun, hindi porket sinisira mo yung tao, parang babango ka na sa akin. No, it's a different.
Yeah.
Pag nag-negative yung sinasabi mo sa akin in front of me right now, I'm looking at you. It's you that you're telling me na ganito ang tao.
Oh my God, I
Yeah.
like that.
Ganun ako sis. That's why I'm always a quiet person, to be honest. Hindi talaga ako nagsasalita. And my wife knows that. Back in high school, hindi naman ako lagi nagsasalita.
Yeah.
I'm always listening. And I think that's what people likes about me. It's about,
You're always
I'm
listening.
always listening.
Yeah. You need to be good
Yeah,
listener
exactly.
talaga.
Yeah. Well, there's a reason that why we have one mouth and two ears. We're supposed to be listening more than we're talking.
Yeah, that's
So,
true.
kaya nga may dalawa tayong ears para makinig lang tayo.
Yeah.
Kaya isa yung bunganga natin para hindi.
Yeah, kailangan talaga makinig ka at intindihin mo
Exactly.
lahat ng tao. Magkakaiba din naman talaga kasi lahat ng tao.
Oh yeah, 100%.
Kaya talagang i-respect mo each
Yeah.
other's perspective.
Exactly.
Yeah. Gaya nga ng sabi ko, hindi man kayo suportahan sa ngayon ng mga friends and family. It's okay.
It's okay.
Meron pa rin at merong susuporta sa inyo.
Yeah.
Mga strangers
Yeah, that's
na
true.
magiging business partner mo, balay mo in the future,
Yeah.
yan yung mga yun.
You never know. Like
You never
could,
know.
Yeah, it could be a business partner. It could be your mentor. It could be like something
Diba?
that will
Sa
suit
akin
your
nga
life.
biglaan eh.
Yeah,
Yeah, partners ko lang sila sa online selling. Ngayon, mga partners ko na siya sila sa mga business.
that's nice. Yeah,
Ganun kami nag-grow talaga.
and you should surround yourself to those kind of people.
Yes. Yun ang talagang parang pinaka ko. Surround yourself
Yeah.
sa mga mga taong yun, naglilifan each other.
That's
Hindi yung
right.
nagsisiraan.
Ano naman masasabi mo
other.
sis dun sa mga taong naninira sa'yo?
Oh, sa mga taong naninira
Yeah,
sa akin.
I'm
Oh
sure
my
you
God.
have those.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'm sure meron
yeah.
akong naninira sa akin. Sana, yung puso mo, ma-relieve ng hatred at matanggal yung jealousy.
Yeah.
Sana ma-inspire kita kung ano yung meron ako ngayon para sa ikabubuti ng puso mo. Kasi maniwala ka, kung jealousy ka lang ng jealousy or puro inggit, puro negative, ang impact din sa life mo is negative yun.
Yes, that's
Yeah. And it's human nature na ma-jealous, pero alam mo yun, pwede ka naman din talagang mamili eh. Either jealous or inspire. Bakit hindi ka na lang dun sa positive?
Yes, positive. Yeah.
Ma-inspire na lang ako sa kanya at maging kagaya niya.
Yeah.
Gawin nyo lahat ng ginagawa ko. Pinapakita ko lahat kung paano mag-online selling. Ayan no, pinapakita ko mangga, walis tambo, nire-resell ko.
They can do the same
Kasi
thing.
you can do it also. Diba? You can do it as business also. Hindi ko kayo sisiraan dahil kinumpetensya nyo ko. No. Mapaproud pa ako dahil nag-take risk kayo na nag-start.
That's the,
Kaya tanggalin ng jealous, iano nyo nang ma-inspire kayo together. Ngayon, ito si kumari mo, nagtinda naman ng huwag kang maiinggit dahil nagtinda siya. Sabi mo, kumari, pwede mo ba i-resell yung tinda mo? Tinakatulong ka pa.
that's true.
Diba? O kung hindi ka naman mag-support sa kanya na mag-resell,
Yeah.
i-like mo lang yung Facebook page niya. May mawawala ba?
Exactly.
Wala naman.
Or share
at
it,
least,
yeah.
Or share it. Or share their reels. At least sinuport nyo sila.
Exactly.
Hindi naman porket katulad yan, yung best friend ko ba pumunta na sa Skin Laser? Hindi pa kasi ang busy niya. Fantastic Coating Canada. Shout out. So siya yung owner naman ng Fantastic
Okay, I see.
Coating Canada. So sa mga flooring, epoxy, garage, so yun naman ang ginagawa nila.
That's nice.
So yan, hindi pa siya nakapunta sa Skin Laser. Nagstampo ba ako? Hindi. Kasi ang busy ng best
Yeah.
friend ko eh. So kailangan iintindihin mo din lahat. Hindi pwede, di kami lang pumunta, yung
Yeah.
mga pumunta. Hindi kami ganun.
That's the thing kasi sis, like you create stories in your head
Yeah.
without even asking that person or like without even titignan mo kung anong ginagawa ng tao.
Yeah.
Diba? Kung super busy yan, that's super busy person. Huwag kang mag-iisip na, siguro naiingit sa akin to kasi hindi
Oo,
man lang
wag
siya
ganun, wag
diba?
ganun. Kaya kailangan, ikaw din talaga nagkikreate sa mindset mo
don't
eh.
do that. Yeah.
Don't do that. Ang isipin mo, ang busy siguro ng best friend ko kaya hindi siya nakapunta.
Yeah, which is good. Like, yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah.
Ang bilis ng buhay. Usap kayo, best friend kayo, diretso.
That's
Kasi
true.
ang hirap talaga pag puro negative ang mindset mo.
It is it's super
Yeah.
hard and I don't, like you said, like hindi ko alam paano nakakatulog ang tao pag napaka-negative.
Yeah.
And just like honestly guys, just be honest to yourself. Like when you're talking to somebody, just be honest to yourself because especially when your family is around you because you're not the only one hearing it. Your family is hearing it. So if you're lying to the person that you're talking to and your family is around you,
Your daughters.
your daughters, your wife,
Your son. Yeah, your husband.
son, your husband,
Nakaririnig.
I mean, that tells you how much they're lying to other people. Like they're seeing it through your
Yeah.
mouth and eyes, right? And that's not good for your kids.
Yeah,
So that's
iwasan
why
yun.
always be like positive and always be true to yourself.
Yeah. Iwasan yung inggit talaga.
Yeah, iwasan talaga yung get and just be honest to yourself.
Yeah.
Just easy as that one. Life is easy
Tsaka
when you're
2024 na, iwasan na ang paninira. Kailangan na support each other talaga.
That's true.
Kasi
That's
nangyayari naman talaga eh, di ba? Lahat
Oh,
na,
yeah.
di ba? Collaboration matters. Lalo na sa online tayo.
Yeah.
Kung hindi kayo makikikollaborate, lalo kung nasa online kayo, hindi kayo talaga mag-grow.
That's true.
Kasi kailangan talaga collaboration.
And even though online is oversaturated, doesn't matter.
Yeah,
This is-
just still collaborate.
Yeah, just collaborate.
Pare-pares kayong business, still collaborate. It's okay. Collaboration matters, okay?
That's why gustong-gusto mo yung words na yan, collaborate.
Yeah, kasi totoo talaga. Kasi sa akin, nasa puso ko talaga
Oh,
siya
that's
eh.
true. I can tell.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nasa puso ko talaga siya na kailangan, gusto ko nga, alam mo yun sige na, mag-collaborate na lang tayo, huwag ka na makipagkompetensya.
That's true, that's true.
Gustong-gusto ko silang ganunin kasi
Yeah.
yung mga yung pagdadaanan nyo, kanyari gagayahin nyo ito na lang, for example, yung sa logistics.
Yeah.
Yung mga napagdaanan namin, my God, baka hindi nyo kayanin.
That's true.
Nagkataon lang na napakadami naming nagtutulungan, kaya namin nakayanan at naging ganito na si Shifty.
That's nice.
Yeah, we're going to open a
super
warehouse na soon
Yeah.
and then mag-start na rin kami ng Sea Cargo ng Canada to Pilipinas.
That's
Hopefully
awesome.
this February. Oh, 'di ba?
Yeah.
So yun yung expansion na yun, pero hindi ko kakayanin ito ng ako lang. May mga kasama nga kasi kami. Alam mo yun, meron akong business partners, meron
Yeah.
mga katuwang ng mga sumusuporta. So kung nakikollaborate kayo sa akin, lalaki
Yeah,
ako,
lalaki pa.
lalaki kayo, together, lalaki tayo.
Exactly.
'Di ba?
Yeah.
Ito na yung binibigyan ko kayo ng pagkakataon lumaki, magkakasama.
That's true.
Kasi pwede.
Okay.
Yeah, 'di ba?
It's at kailangan mo talaga ng katuwang sa buhay. Yeah. It's not
Hindi mo
just
kakayanan
sa
mag-isa
business.
yun.
That's true.
And then may ilo-launch na rin kami. Pwede ko na rin ba So we're
Yeah.
going to launch skincare and then may lip balm, may hair serum, may lotion. So meron na kaming manufacturing sa may High River.
Okay.
So ipapakita namin soon with the vlog
Nice.
with my
Very exciting.
with the business partners Josa ng Canada. So it will be maybe March ang i-launch namin. So i-vlog namin yung warehouse doon and then
Nice.
may chemist, may pharmacist. So ipapakita namin yung mga aromatherapy. So
That's
kumpleto
nice.
lahat. Yun. Sa
yeah,
March na.
congratulations.
So yun
And
naman
this
yung
is-
bago nating adventure.
Adventure, yeah.
Yes. Feeling ko, tinatanong nila ako, paano ka naging successful? Ako kasi yun nga, taas
Yeah.
yung loyalty ko sa business partners ko.
Exactly.
Alam nila
Collaboration
ako,
talaga.
kilala nila ako talaga.
Collaboration.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So kailangan talaga ang tawag nito, yung meron ka rin talagang
Yeah.
yun yung loyalty mo. Hindi rin pwede na nag-yes ka tas no ka pala. Alam mo yun, yung kailangan talaga may paninindigan ko yung word of honor.
Yeah, it's exactly.
Yeah, dun ka lalaki.
That's your standard. Like
Yeah.
if your standard is to do the things that you said you were gonna do, then you're gonna grow your business.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, dun mag-ano.
But it's not that easy.
Yeah,
it's hard.
I know.
It's hard.
Ayun nga, sabi nila, it's hard.
easy to say.
Yun sa akin,
Yeah,
ewan
it's
ko,
hard.
I'm just lucky na nagkaroon ako ng yung dating clients ko, yun yung
Yeah.
mga business partner. Alam mo yung mga ganun na nagkataon lang
That's
siguro. I think, kaya lang yun yung mga, ayun nga, yung nakatanim na ako mula noon pa ng connection with them.
Nice. That's very nice. Yeah.
Kasi once yun nga, nabigay mo naman yung binili nila, yung bag. Hanggang sa may binili naman silang mas mahal. Hanggang sa may mas mabiling mas mahal na naman. Yun, dun nag-i-start.
Oh wow.
Yeah, kaya sana magkaroon, yun yung pinagpipray ko, sana magkaroon ng mabuting clients and
Yeah.
business owner relationship.
That's
Like my All Skin Laser Genesis be, lahat ng kliyente ko, I treat them as business partner kasi gusto ko silang makita forever.
Nice. That's
Kasi I want, because syempre nagtayo ka ng business, ano yun, 10 years lang? I want it to be
That's true.
empire, of course. To be with my son. Kaya ka nagpapa-expand ng expand.
That's nice.
Diba? Doon mo naman na makikita ang empire yan. Sa son mo na yan eh.
That's true.
Kasi ilang taon na tayo ngayon eh.
Yeah, it's your legacy, family legacy.
Yeah,
right?
kaya kailangan, pag nangarap ka, taasan mo na. Libre lang mangarap.
Kaya nga eh.
Taasan mo na. Pero syempre gagalawan mo. Kung mataas yung pangarap mo, gagalawan mo ng sobra din.
That's true.
Doble taas din,
Kasi
doble
ang
kaya.
problema kasi sa atin is like back in the day, yung mga parents kasi natin yung mayroon sila yung mentality na alam mo yun, parang hindi siya kaangkop-angkop sa ngayon nowadays. Like,
I know.
It's like, it's a very
Madami.
opposite na alam mo yun, like alam mong mali yung ginagawa nila, sinasabi
You
nila.
know, but
and you
it's
want to
the
change it.
culture.
Yeah, exactly. I think it's been passed down to our generation to generation. Which is sa generation namin, I wanted to cut it from there.
Yeah, yung katulad nung sa parenting alone.
Exactly.
Diba?
It's completely different.
Tatakot na yung mga bata. Ano ba? Pwede mo naman pala sabihin, wag yan anak, kasi
Yeah.
masama. Kasi kuryente ka. Sige, waka mo yan.
Palo agad.
Di mapalo agad. May mga ganun, di ba?
Yeah, exactly.
Yan yung mga sana wag
Yeah.
nang maidiretso pa sa mga...
Oh yeah, it's things that we need to avoid dun sa generation. Kasi bloodline yan sis eh.
I
So,
know.
na-pass on yan sa generation. If our parents lied, then you don't need to lie. You just be true to yourself and be honest, right?
Yeah.
Back then, kung mga bata kasi tayo, hindi natin pwedeng sabihin, Nay, nag-ano. Sinungaling ka. Malaman, pinalo ka ng
Pinalo ka talaga. Uy, magkanin? 5 pesos. Nanay, nakita ko 5 pesos na. Palo!
Oo, ganun, di ba?
Oo,
So,
ganun
like,
talaga. Pero yun nga,
Yeah.
Nakalakihan natin.
Nakalakihan natin ng mindset ng parents natin. Kaninunuan pa natin. It's completely different.
oo,
Ibang-iba talaga. But,
nakakatawa pare-pares ng parang mindset.
Yeah,
Tsaka
exactly.
yung may mga mindset dati yun yung mga negative.
Yeah,
Marami
super
sila
negative.
yun.
Yeah.
Ngayon, mas na-appreciate ko yung mga Gen Z.
Yeah.
Mas positive sila.
Yeah.
Pag kinausap mo, talaga napaka-positive
Yeah,
sila.
it's careless
Chill.
sila na, alam mo,
Yeah.
I don't care about what you're gonna say.
Yeah,
Like,
di ba?
talagang ano lang sila.
Oo, chill lang.
Yeah, chill lang.
Yung dito sa yung dati, yung mga culture.
That's true.
Yeah, yun yung
Yeah.
nakita ko. And wala tayong magagawa doon. Re-respect mo.
That's
Kasi
true.
nakalakihan nila yun.
Yeah, that's
Diba? Na-culture nila yun, may magagawa ka. Yun nakalakihan
Yeah,
nila.
you cannot change
Yeah,
that.
yun
Unless you
lang.
change.
At least you change,
Yeah,
unless you
change.
change yung mga generations
That's
sa
true.
generations. Doon naman na yun eh.
Thank you so much for watching our podcast, guys. I did not realize that we've been talking about over an hour now with Sandy over here, but you heard a lot of good stuff from her. Mga magaganda, especially in collaboration with other people, not negativity, which is try to avoid it or just get rid of it completely, guys. Be positive lang tayo, especially nowadays.
2024
Yeah,
na.
2024 na. Really, it's 2024. Negativity is not gonna do anything to
Anything.
anyone. So just cut it off, guys. Stop talking negativity and start talking positively about life and about your
Spread
family.
positive
and stuff.
vibes.
Yeah, spread positive vibes lang. But anyways, pasensya na ako, guys. We just have to cut this now, tong podcast na to. And thank you for watching. And is there any advice na gusto mong sabihin sa mga tao, sis?
Yes, sure. So sa lahat ng mga business-minded na ngayon 2024, take risk. Start small. Start now. Kailangan nyo siyang mag-start ngayon para matuto kayo. Kung hindi man ngayon, it's okay. Pero at least, nabibigyan namin kayo ng mga idea kung paano kayo mag-start. At sa mga negative pa yung mindset, it's okay. We still respect everyone. Pero sana magkaroon din ng pagkakataon na mas lumawak yung pananaw nyo sa collaboration. Because that's where the success begins talaga. Collaboration and unity.
There you go, guys. You've heard good stuff from Zandy over here, and thank you so much for watching this podcast. Again, this is Empowering Monday podcast and powered by ZRM Studios, photo and video company. And if you like this podcast, guys, don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like this page if you're watching this on Facebook, and if you're listening this on podcast, subscribe as well. Apple Podcasts. Yeah, so subscribe as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys. And tell me where they can find you, sis.
Okay, so for Shipty Express, so for everyone who needs logistics services in Canada and Philippines, you can search us on Facebook. So it's Shipty Express. For Skin Laser Genesis, so we have Facebook page Skin Laser Genesis. We have website skinlasergenesis.ca. And ano pa ba? Sa Joint Project, yung mga vintage items, you can search our Facebook page po, A Joint Project. So andun po yung mga vintage items namin, and it's available on hand po sa Philippines.
Here you go, guys. We'll link all those description down below. And thank you so much for watching our podcast or listening to our podcast.
Thank
Take care,
you.
guys.
Thank you, ha.